Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Social Security payment arrived on February 3, 2026. But here the big question, are you on the list? As February began, millions of Americans are watching their bank accounts closely, waiting for their Social Security benefit to arrive. With rising living cost and financial pressure still hitting household, every payment matter especially at the start for a new year. The Social Security Administration has officially continue its February 2026 payment cycle, and this year brings some good news. Thanks for 2.8% cost of living adjustment, also known as COLA. Beneficiaries are receiving higher monthly payments than last year. This is now the second month this increased amount are showing up to checks after the COLA took the effect in January 2026. Based on the latest SSA projection, here what's the update average payment look like. Retirement workers are now receiving around $2,127 per month, which is about $56 more than the last year. People receiving disability benefit can expect an average monthly payment of $1,633. Survive benefits are arriving around $1,620 per month. But many people are asking another important question. Will Social Security payment be affected by the partial government shutdown after Congress failed to pass 1.2 trillion funding package? The US entered a partial shutdown while some government service may be slowed down. Here the relief everyone needed to hear. Social Security payment will not stop every during a shutdown. A benefit payment are protected. However, administration service like processing new application for heading certain request at SSA office could be face delay. Now let's talk about the February 2026 Social Security payment schedule. If you are was born between the 1st and 10th, your payment arrive on Wednesday, February 11th. Born between the 11th and 20th, your payment hits on February 18th. And if your birthday fall between the 21 and 31, you paid on February 25. So who get paid early on February 3, 2026? The payment is reserved on two groups only. First, long beneficiary who started receiving Social Security before May 1997. Second, combined beneficiary people who receive both Social Security and SSI. If you are one of these groups, check your account and February 3. This payment could be already be on the way. Stay informed, stay prepared, make sure you know your expect payment date. Thanks for watching this video.